Hello guys, welcome to our weekly market forecast. I'm analyst lekan and I'll be bringing you key setups to watch out for this week. The first pair that we're having is AUD-NZD. On AUD-NZD on the weekly time frame, we can see that the market is currently bearish. On the daily time frame, we can see that the market is also bearish, and on the 4-hour time frame we can see that the market is also bearish. Going down to the weekly time frame, we can see that we have this area, which is our area of interest, and you can see it has been tested multiple times by the market, and there has been strong rejections from this point. As you can see, 1 2 3 4 5 when we are under our selling, when we are above or buying. So what I'm going to be looking out for this week is we're basically just waiting for the market to give us our entry signal, because we are already at our area of interest. So what I'm waiting for is for the lower time frame to give us this kind of structure, a slight push up, break under our area of interest, and then gives us a retest. At the same time, the market will be forming a head and shoulder pattern, which is a strong indication that the market is changing a trend. The next pair that we're going to be looking out for is GBP card. On GBP card, on the weekly time frame, we can see that the market is currently very bullish, and on the daily time frame also we can see that the market is currently bullish. I know some of you might say, oh, the market is not bullish because of this move, this market structure here. But if you look at it at the broader picture, you see that the market has not closed above or below this previous market swing, meaning this move inside here is just internal market structure. As you can see, this move here is just internal market structure. So what would I be waiting for this pair? I'll be going down to the lower time frame, which is the 4-hour time frame, to look for a shift of structure to indicate that the market is moving bullish. As you can see, we're waiting for the market to break above this point here, give us a retest for us to then take the bites to the upside. The next pair that we have is USD JPY. On USD JPY on the weekly time frame, you can also see that the market is currently bearish. On the daily time frame, you can see that the market is also bearish, and on the 4-hour time frame, you can see that the market is bearish. If we go back to our daily time frame, where we have our area of interest, you can see that the market has tested this level 1 2 3 4 multiple times. We want to have at least 3 touches on our area of interest. So what would I be waiting for? I'll be waiting for the market to give us a retracement back into our area of interest in order for us to look for our entry signal to then take the trade to the downside. The next pair that we have is Euro USD. Euro USD on the weekly time frame is very bullish. As you can see, on the daily time frame, the market is also bullish, and on the 4-hour time frame, the market is also bullish. If we go down to our weekly time frame, we can see that we have this area of interest which has been tested multiple times, 1 2 3 4. As I said, we have to have a minimum of 3 touches on our area of interest. So what I'm waiting for is for the market to give us a retracement into our area of interest, giving us our entry signal, which will then take the trade to the upside. The next pair I'll be looking out for is USD CAD. USD CAD on the weekly time frame, we can see that the market is currently bearish. On the daily time frame, the market is also bearish, and on the 4-hour time frame, the market is currently bearish. So what would I be waiting for? I'm waiting for the market to simply give us a retracement into our area of interest, which waiting for the market to simply give us a retracement into our area of interest for us to look for the sales to the downside. If you go down the weekly time frame for this pair, you will see that the market just started this move. So this is why it is my last pair that I'm looking at, because anything can happen. We have a very strong support point here, so this can lead to the market just continuing bullish. But let's see what will happen. Those are the trades that we have for the week. Hopefully we are able to catch some setups and make the best out of it. On my Telegram channel, I give updates on each of all these trades, the before, the during, and the after of the trade. And you can also follow me on all my social media platforms, which is analyst lekan. And please do subscribe, comment, and like this video if you feel like you benefited or you got information from it. Alright guys, thank you for watching. See you next time in our next video, which will be the weekly recap. Hopefully we'll have some good things to talk about then. Thank you.